Summer is hottest season of the year, which is start in month of February and extend up to month of May. The weather during this season is very hot. The days are longer while the nights get shorter during the summer season. This season, the nature gives us various fruits and vegetables rich in water. People prefer to wear light color cotton clothes due to the heat. We also use hat, sunglasses and cap for escaping from the sun. During the summer season, children relish a lot of fresh fruits, juices and ice creams. For children, it's the season of vacation, picnic and fun. Summer season is the most entertaining season for kids as it's the time in the school gets closed and the summer vacation begins.